Okay, so right now I'm sitting with Queen Mother Loren Mayer, our NAHYÈ, right, the head of our temple here in Benin. And we are talking about the new bill that President Patrice Talon has just signed and is now with Parliament, and they are waiting, reviewing it and going to sign it. So right now she's advising me on what we should do, and you get to listen.
Okay. Now, the government say yes for what we ask, because it's the Conseil National des Christians de Jeunes du Bénin. We ask the government to help us to bring back our sister, our brother, our family, and the diaspora to come back, because we need all these people here to come helping, but also we can help them to have stability and keep connection with their origin.
Yes.
So now they say yes.
Okay.
It's possible. And they are trying to make everything clear. Like that, everybody need to do his test at the end. Like that, we will know, okay, he's really from Benin.
I think that's the equivalent. It's like the DNA test. It's like testing your blood.
Yeah, and for your blood.
Okay.
And if you make that, you have to show your possibility, like what you know to do, what you can do if you came back your project, and also small paper is not that no have any complication if you have this test and it's positive. You are coming from Benin.
So, question: do you have to be from Benin or specifically to get Beninese citizenship, or anywhere sub-Saharan, anywhere in Africa?
No, you need to be specially from Benin.
From Benin.
From Benin.
Okay.
And I know in Ghana, the same things are going on. That can be all the Africa, because it's normally they're coming back. It's normally, so they are just trying to be sure everything is okay to this coming back, and we are going to have all the Africa coming back.
That's true. So what Queen Mother is saying is that we need to take a DNA test to prove that we are sub-Saharan African, but specifically from Benin. Now don't get discouraged. The reason this is not going to be a complication from us is because if you haven't done your research, Benin was a major port in the transatlantic slave trade. Many of our ancestors came through Benin. And so because of that, there is a percentage of your blood, more than likely, that came through Benin. Just like in Ghana, I'm pretty sure some of us have have blood in Benin, Ghana, Nigeria, all through West Africa, because there were major ports here. So I don't see that. What Queen Mother is saying is that won't be an issue for us. Right. This is good. So we just wait.
Yes, just small time.
Small time. Okay. I'm coming back with more news.